What if your daily walk, that precious habit, isn't the ultimate secret to aging gracefully? We've all heard that walking is key to good health, but is it enough? We see our friends and neighbors walking in the park, striding with purpose, and we feel like we're doing the right thing by joining them. But let's pause for a moment. If walking is so perfect, why do so many of us still struggle with simple tasks, like lifting a heavy pot, or getting up from a low chair? These aren't failures. They're signals from our bodies. Our walks are great, but maybe they're missing a key piece for long-term strength and independence. Do you remember when carrying groceries or picking up a grandchild was easy? That took more than just endurance. It took strength and stability. Walking keeps our hearts healthy, but it doesn't challenge all the muscle groups we need for daily life. Today, let's explore how to improve your routine and build a new layer of strength for more confidence, independence, and joy in movement. After 65, our bodies change. Sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, becomes a real challenge. Walking is great for endurance, but it's a repetitive, low-intensity activity. It mainly trains the muscles we use for walking, leaving other muscles, like the upper body and core, underworked. Imagine your body as a team. Walking keeps the long-distance runners strong, but the weightlifters and sprinters are left behind. That's why you can walk for an hour but still struggle to push a heavy door or stand up quickly. Walking is linear and predictable, but life isn't. We need to bend, twist, lift, and react to surprises. These actions require strength and stability across many muscle groups. Walking alone doesn't prepare us for these real-life demands, making us more prone to falls and injuries. So, while daily walking is a great foundation, it's not the complete structure. To truly change how we age, we need exercises that target strength and resilience. We have to send a clear signal to our muscles: be strong, be ready. It's time we not only walk, but also embrace a more complete approach to good health. Strength training is the missing piece. Let's explore how to build a body that is not just enduring, but also capable. The next steps will show you how. As we get older, the connection between our brain and muscles gets weaker. It's like a phone line with a lot of static. The brain says lift, but the message doesn't get through clearly, making simple actions much harder. This loss of connection speeds up if we don't challenge our muscles. Our bodies work on a use it or lose it principle. Without regular strong muscle contractions, like standing up without using your hands, those nerve pathways fade away. The gentle nature of walking just doesn't give the strong push needed to keep these connections sharp. That's why even people who walk a lot can still lose functional strength. The big muscles we need for climbing stairs or lifting heavy things aren't activated enough by just walking. But this isn't a one-way street. By adding resistance exercises, we send a strong signal: keep these muscles strong. Strength training is about getting that clear, strong conversation back between your mind and your body. Let's look at simple exercises that can reverse this silent disconnect. The sit to stand is one of the most important moves you can do. All you need is a sturdy chair that's about knee height. Sit on the edge of the chair, feet shoulder width apart, chest up and back straight. Cross your arms over your chest. Lean forward slightly from your hips, tighten your core, and push up through your heels to stand. Stand up tall, pause, then slowly lower yourself back down with control. That's one repetition. Aim for 8 to 12. This exercise mimics getting up from a chair, a daily action that needs strong legs and glutes. Practicing it will build exactly the strength you need to stay independent. In time, you'll be getting up from any chair with confidence. No hands needed. You're strengthening the brain pathways that control your biggest muscles. The sit to stand is a powerful investment in your future ability to move around. Make it a cornerstone of your routine. Next up, let's build some upper body strength, something walking doesn't quite hit. The wall push-up is safe, easy, and it really works. Stand about an arm's length from a solid wall, with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your palms flat on the wall at chest height, with your fingers pointing up. Tighten your belly, keep your body straight, and bend your elbows to lean towards the wall. Go as far as you can comfortably, then push yourself back to the start. That's one. Aim for 8 to 12 of these. This exercise builds strength for everyday tasks, like pushing a shopping cart, opening a heavy door, or catching yourself if you trip. Wall push-ups are adjustable. Step back for more of a challenge, or step closer to make it easier. It's a safe way to wake up your chest, shoulders, and the back of your arms. Upper body strength means more confidence and fewer injuries. Let's make this your second pillar of strength. Keep building. Our third main exercise brings everything together: balance, working together, and heart health. Let's try marching in place with arm swings. Stand up tall, with your feet together, your back straight, and your shoulders relaxed. Lift your right knee as high as you can, while swinging your left arm forward. Lower it down and switch to the other side. Left knee up, right arm forward. Keep your movement smooth and steady for 30 to 60 seconds. This exercise works your hips, your core, your shoulders, and your back. It helps your posture, balance, and how your body parts work together. All super important for not falling. Marching in place helps your brain and body learn to work together again. These benefits mean you'll walk more confidently and steadily when you're outside. You'll find it easier to get around on sidewalks and through crowds. This simple marching exercise is a powerful tool to help prevent falls. Make it a regular part of your daily routine. These exercises aren't just movements, they're real-life wins. Being able to stand up and sit down means the freedom to visit friends or get up from any chair with ease. Each time you do it, you build strength for being independent and seeing people. Wall push-ups give you the strength to lift, push, and keep yourself from falling. They are your first line of defense against getting hurt. Marching in place adds grace and steadiness to how you walk, making every step safer. These exercises fine-tune your body's inner guiding system. The goal isn't bigger muscles, it's a bigger life. You're investing in more laughter, more outings, and the peace of being in charge of yourself. Each workout is a step toward a vibrant, active, and independent life. Keep moving forward. Forget about scary gyms. Your home is the best gym you'll ever have. All you need is a chair, a wall, and your own body. No membership fees, no travel, no expensive equipment. Do these exercises in your comfy clothes any time of day. What's important is sticking with it. Small, regular efforts over time. 3 or 4 workouts a week will give you real results. One day, you'll stand up or carry groceries and realize it's just easier. At-home strength training takes away all excuses and puts the power in your hands. It's a private journey, no comparisons, no pressure, just the satisfaction of building a stronger, tougher version of yourself. Your home is now a safe place for strength and new beginnings. Start today, right where you are. We've talked about why walking isn't enough, the science of muscle loss, and the 3 simple pillars of strength you can do right at home. But knowledge is only powerful if you act on it. Strength doesn't disappear with age. It's lost when we stop challenging ourselves. The power to change how you age is in your hands, starting today. Let's call this day 1, a new message to your body. We're not done yet. Your journey begins with 1 sit to stand, or 1 wall push-up, or 1 minute of marching in place. Try these exercises, feel your body respond, and be patient but persistent. Your future self will thank you for starting now. Share your journey in the comments, like this video, and subscribe for more. Help us reach others who need this message. Share it with someone you care about. The journey is easier together. Let's build a supportive community. Your strength is your choice. What will you choose to do, starting now?